You just split that monster story. It's a clean. Each piece delivers value by itself. You are feeling good. Then you ask your team, can we ship this next sprint? And then crickets. Someone finally mumbles, well, maybe, depends on. That hesitation, it just added 6 to 8 weeks to your timeline. Here is why. Most projects don't fail from bad planning. They fail from stories that look ready but hide complexity nobody sees until week 3. So here is the 5-second test that catches this every time. Can your team confidently build and ship this in one sprint, typically 1 to 2 weeks? Not probably, not if everything goes right, not depends on. An immediate, enthusiastic yes, or it's too big. Let me show you why this matters. In this video, we split the Frankenstory into 3 pieces. One was, as a busy parent, I want to log in quickly using my existing social media accounts so that I can complete my purchase in under 2 minutes. Looks perfectly, right? Useful by itself. One clear outcome. Now apply the 5-second test. Can we ship this in one sprint? Wait, social media accounts, plural means Facebook, Google, and Apple. That's 3 different authentication APIs, different documentation, different edge cases. Reality check, that's 3 to 4 weeks minimum, maybe 6 if things go sideways. The story sounded small, but it's a trap. So we split again. Story 1A. As a busy parent, I want to log in using my Google account so that I can complete my purchase quickly. 5-second test. Can we ship this in one sprint? Yes. One provider, 1 week, ship it. Then story 1B is Facebook. Story 1C is Apple. Each fits in a sprint, each delivers value. Each moves forward. This is the difference between guessing and knowing. Here is what you do starting right now. Take any story. Ask your team, can we build and ship this in one sprint? If there is any hesitation, even a pause, split it smaller. No exceptions. No, but this time it's different. When you nail this, everything changes. Monday planning arrives, that overwhelming backlog, it becomes sequence of clear decisions. Can we ship this? Yes. And this? Yes. And this? Yes. Your team stops hesitating. They start committing. Stakeholders stop asking when things will be done. They watch you deliver every single week. That anxiety on Sunday nights, gone. You are not hoping the estimate is right. You know it is. This is what a real momentum feels like, not scrambling, not explaining delays, just consistent, predictable delivery. One confident decision at a time. Tomorrow, I will show you the one question that prevents, wait, I thought we agreed on something completely different. 3 weeks into building. See you then.